Tunda juhudi.
Natumaini mko salama watazamaji wetu, watazamaji wa DFTV. Nibaza ko mugweneza cyane muri hose mwese muguma mudukurikirana mudufata mu mugongo. Ino munsi turi kumwe n'umuririmbyi Jodaski yagendanye na manager wiwe Alexis aba muri Canada. Umva ko ino munsi studio yagendewe. Reka rero mu mwanya tubahe batubwire byinshi baduteguriye ibyo batuzanye kutubwira. Cyane kuri akakunda umuziki w'Uburundi n'umuririmbyi mushasha akicaruka umva akeneye ko tumufata mu mugongo kugira tumutere intege. Umva gute kuri muri DFTV? First time.
I know, as I told you, like DFTV now it's getting bigger. Like if I'm in Canada and I can be able like to see it, it means it's doing very well. And on my side, I like music by the way, so and I follow up a lot of on social media, so that's why I came to know about the DFT TV. Yes, and I do like the way you do your introductions, by the way. Yeah, when you're doing it, yeah. So that's how I came to know it, and I found one of my friend, like he's like my bro. I was like, I asked him about you, and he said, yes, I know him. And then I was like, can you arrange? Then we can meet with her, then we can talk about it. And then till now, then I'm happy. So this is the second time then I met you, and you're so cool.
Yeah. Again.
Yes, thank you.
The first time to be here in Burundi?
Actually, it's not the first time. This is my fourth time since like I went to Canada to live in there. Yes, this is my fourth time to be in here. Yes.
Let's talk about food, bro.
The food, actually, I do like mukeke. You know mukeke? No, that mukeke. There's a special here mukeke, the wet one. Like you need to fish it, like from the Lake Tanganyika. Because that flavor actually is the best flavor ever. You can't find it anywhere in the world. I do things only in Lake Tanganyika, and I like matoke as well. Yes.
Wiyumva gute kuri muri DFTV for the first time?
Ndaryohewe sana kubera ko DFTV novuga yuko ni social media, ni media isanzwe promotinga abaririmbyi bagenzi bacu. Rero iyo ndi ngaha ndumva ko ndyohewe sana je.
Urajirarutse mu muziki uri mushasha, hariho abandi novuga abandi baririmbyi muvuga ko munganya nabo nyene bakicaruka, aho novuga Bell Music, with design or reggae n'abandi narize kudondagura. Wipanze gute kugira ushobore guhangana nabo?
Nibaze ko sinje guhangana, ahubwo nje kubafasha urugamba turi ko guteza imbere umuziki ndundi. Yani nzogerageza kubandanyirizaho nabo aho bari bagejeje, kubera ko twese two turaboydenga ikintu kimwe. Turi bamwe yeah.
Kenshi iyo abaririmbyi barose management barose manager, I mean abafasha ku buryo bakunze kuba banebwe. Kubera maybe amafaranga ko atava mu mufuko yo agano tutaronze burya ntubuzinye ntugene kagoye ironka. Kenshi ugasanga amengo yaririmbye indirimbo imwe yabaye hit, igisigara akiyumvira ko arose aka message ka Vanessa ka Diane ça suffit, nta kindi kiba gikurikira. Iki wo kwizeza abakora kurikirana ikiganiro
cyambere utanguye kuyumvira ibintu nk'ivyo hapo na fail. Yani dogsinaliza nikase mutanguye gukangwa n'ama feedback turacazironka. Imana idutijije amagara tukabandanya dukora feedback nyinshi murazozironka. Rero iyo nibaza ko ibariyerere yiwawe umuririmbyi ubutaritahura exactly kintu ubuje kurondera in the music. Yeah, Jenny wazaye ko ibyo sinibaza ko bidashikira
bitazogushikira
wapi abiweze kandi
na aba manager benshi nabo nyene barafata baririmbyi akamukoresha maybe indizo ndirimbo zibiri, video zibiri, mu nyuma bikamunebwesha kuba bayiteze yuko akeneye guca yinjiza fast. Kandi tugerageje kwa muziki mu Burundi tungali chini bado sana, ili management iweze kurudisha uwezo ambao umetumia, gharama ambazo zilitumika kwenye kazi za msanii wake. Wewe kwako umejipangaje?
As he said, yeah, no, tofauti as he's saying. First of all, before I accept, I have to sign the contract. And signing the contract, we have to talk about all those challenges. As we are saying, Burundi, it's not that far in the music. So it's not like if I'm helping him, I'm not expecting the profit right away. Because this music industry is something serious, by the way. You need to work for it first. In general, even if it's not like music, you're not gonna go like, let me say, for instance, if you are doing a business, particular business, right? When we are starting business, first of all, there's failure and there's success, right? So there's those two things that you need to put in your head. Either I can fail, either I can success. But failing, it's not exception, right? So we always look like to succeed. So in that particular moment, first of all, there's what we call patience. Patience is the key. Because if you can see like all those biggest artists, they have came far. But now, they are international, best artists ever. There's Diamonds, there's the Harmonize. Look at in Rwanda, you know what I mean? So I do believe like it depends on like how you take things, right? If you say like, oh, you're gonna, okay, 2 videos out, and then, oh, so where is the cash? It doesn't work that way. In the music, it requires a lot of patience. Because there's a lot of ways and you need to build your career and to build your name. So for me, I do understand on that situation. So it depends with people. Yes, but it's not like something that it can be in a rush, right? Yes, I think it's first of all to build that foundation first, you know? So people, they can know who's this and who's not this. And before you can see the good fruit, of course you need to show what you planted, right? Yeah. You plant first before you receive what you planted, the fruit. So even the music is that way. You plant, and then at the end you have the good fruit because you had that patience. That's how I see. Yeah, on my side.
You have planned to take another artist?
Yeah, so yes, probably on that. It's gonna depend on what he's gonna give to me. If he's giving me good stuff, of course, why not? I told you, it's business. We are doing business, right? If I say, oh, my business is good, you add more stuff, right? Even the music is the same. It depends. You are my client, so you need to show me that you are able. Because if you fail me, for me, I'm gonna say, oh, all of them, they're the same. So you understand? For him to fail me, he's like failing even others to have that chance to continue their music career. Yes, so things like that.
Kwa kumalizia kipindi chetu twagomba tugire social media zawe kumbure abariko dukurikirana naco avuga ati uno musore akicaruka reka tumutera intege reka tumushigikire abaguforoga gufollowing n'abashaka gushaka kumviriza indirimbo zawe kuri YouTube channel yawe bashobora kugenda zikurikirana. Okay,
kuri YouTube ndakoresha social media yanje yitwa Jodaski. Ugiye no kuri Facebook ni Jodaski, ugiye Instagram ni Jodaski. Everywhere sinigeze mpindura ku social media ni Jodaski nyene.
Na YouTube.
Na YouTube ni Jodaski.
Urakoze cyane, reka dindike kuri manager wawe kumbure nawe nyene hariho barashobora kuvuga ati uno mu boss yumviriye gushigikira ugwaruka rw'u Burundi, gushigikira umuziki w'u Burundi, mu gufata mu mugongo muri ntikanaka, reka maybe tumuronde ate tumuhe ama idea ashaka gukorera nko kugira nta failing kuko ategereje umuziki imbere y'u Burundi nkuko natwe tuba duteye imbere igihugu cyose, ariko dukurikirana rero nawe nyine ashaka kubabwira social media akoresha cyane kugira uzo afise icyamuterera cyane mwe nabo niba bakeneye note bakeneye ivyumviro bituma akora zirya note no muzanira note ahubwo muhe ivyumviro yogendera kugira ashobore gukora note.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk in Kirundi, guys. By the way, I'm Burundian, so like everybody can hear me as well. So nk'icyumviro canje je noterera canke cyo nabanza no gushikiriza cyambere na mbere mbanje gushimira DJ TV au DJ Fanny yashoboye kutwakira d'abord muri studio yiwe.
Naga France urakazi d'abord.
Mais oui. Muri studio yiwe kubera yuko asivya bose kandi nawe abari ko arafasha no kudugushigikira muri make. Icyo navuga nkuko nako ndavuga rero gushigikira deja hari ibikorwa amaze gukora, ni umwana ari talented why not umuntu atamushigikira mu gihe tubona yuko hari ico yoterera ku gihugu cy'u Burundi cyane ku barundi bose cyane wari wese nawe umunyamahanga. Hamaje ku social media yanje kuri Facebook nkoresha kazungu ko nyene KAZUNJU kazungu. Hanyuma kuri IG yanje ni Alain Chris 25. Kuyandi ma social media nawe ni Alain Chris nko kuri za Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter.
How's TikTok, bro?
Yes. Only one social media that I use is Kazungu. Everywhere else, Horesha Kazungu. I mean Horesha Alain Chris 25. Yes, there is an underscore. Of course, you're gonna see it. Yes, I like more Karongo Munsi. Between Alain and Chris, I have more underscore. Yes. Hanyuma ikindi novuga naho nkuko twako turabivuga kugira dushoboye no gushigikira abandi. Show us what you got.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I mean? Yeah, show the best you can. Kuko biduha n'imbaraga, biduha n'inguvu, tukavuga ati ilevre bariko barakora ni bien, why tudashobora kubashigikira mu gihe mutweretse yuko ibyo turiko turashigikira bimeze neza. Nta bindi vraiment atari ubundi naho. Merci beaucoup. Ku mazina nayo c'est Alain Chris aka Kazungu. Merci beaucoup.
Niho leo tusozile kiganiro chacho, nadhani nimefurahi sana. Huwa tumeshazoea kuwa tuna match lugha tofauti ili tuweze kuwarahisishia. Unajua hii ni YouTube channel DFTV na inafika mbali, wa Tanzania pia wanatusikiliza. Kuna Vanis kaka bro, asante sana kwa support yako, na watu wengine ambao ni wa Tanzania ambao wanapenda sana kufuatilia TV hii na kuweza kujua mambo mbalimbali kuhusu muziki wa Burundi. Wasa mkiona tunachanga, tunafanya mchanganyiko wa lugha, msishangae mkasema kwani wamesahau Kirundi. Tunawasaidia hata pia wale ambao sio Warundi kuweza kujua kipi kinaendelea Burundi, muziki wa Burundi ukoje, umefikia wapi, ili waweze kwenda pamoja na sisi. Shout out kwa watoto ambao wanaendelea kutufuatilia na kutusupport, kuchukua link na kuwatumia wengine. Asante sana.
DFTV. Tunda juhudi.